Hi, this is Stephanie, head photographer of Reese Studios in Washington, D.C. Today we're going to talk about tricks for bridal makeup photography. It's important to keep it simple when you're doing any kind of makeup for an important occasion, such as getting married. Remember that less is more, because you really want to focus on the beauty of the bride and not how much makeup she has on right now. So, with that in mind, we've already applied a light foundation to our beautiful model Marina here. And we've already primed her eyes and applied a thin line of liner around her eyes, as well as a light shade of mascara, just to make her eyes pop. Now what we're also going to do is we're going to apply a shimmery coat of eyeshadow on both of her eyelids. And when we apply, we're going to go all the way up to the top of the brow line right here and over her entire lid with the shimmery shadow. Now again, that's all we're going to do with her eyes right now. We applied the light shimmer on her eyelids. We have a line around her eyes just to make them pop, and again, one coat of a light mascara. Now we're going to apply a light shade of blush just to give her that sun-kissed warm hue to her skin tone. We're going to apply that to her cheeks as well as her brow line and a light brushing underneath her chin here. Now again, the light brushing of the blush is going to bring out her natural sun-kissed skin tone. It's also to apply a long-lasting powder, so as the event or the photo shoot continues, you will maintain less shine on the skin. I find that I like using a translucent powder because it ends up just going over the concealer and foundation and blush that I've already applied without adding any unwanted hues. Now again, as I mentioned before, it is very important to remember that less is more when you are working with a bride, either on her wedding day or for a photo shoot. Simple eye makeup, a light blush, and a light gloss on the lip is really all you need to make the bride look beautiful for her special day and occasion. Again, this is Stephanie, head photographer with Reese Studios, and we just talked about tricks for bridal makeup photography.